Kajala Megalaya Hado Kashibaji Minski Junkan Rutrik Unailar Ahaja Arpo, Kladan Prapu Prangut Kibiot Thamayo COVID-19, but Apakandanг would Kablakot no. Nakiniki Prapu Prangut Kibiot Thamai, Live Sun would Kidin East Castle District, Hakabakasan would Kidinaka Armed Force with Paramilitary Force, but Arpo would Kiriu Paitba, Iwe Riu Paitba, Nariboy District, Sound would Kiriu Paitba, na North Garo Hills District, Sound would Kiriu Paitba, na South Garo Hills District, Live Kandang would na West Garo Hills, Hakabakat Arm would Kidinaka Armed Force with Paramilitary Force, but Arpinyo would Kiriu Paitba. Lying would Kiriu Paitba na East Giant Hills District, Iwe Riu Paitba na West Giant Hills, but Iwe Riu Paitba na Southwest Garo Hills. Naki Arpkandang would Kibla Koitpat, Sound would Kiriu Paitba na East Khas Hills District, Sound would Kiriu Paitba na Riboy District, Katwang would na South Garo Hills, Kibide na Armed Force, Paramilitary Force, Shipong would na West Garo Hills District, Hakaban Ring would Kiri na Armed Force, Paramilitary Force, but Sound would Kiriu Paitba. The Kajingo Thamai Kiniki Prapu Prangut, Bakajin Koitno, Kiniki Arp Kandangut, Kajala Megalaya Hadu Bapimi, Kanika Kubor, Kadalai Hajar Santali positive case, Shiajar South Palai Pulaitali active case, Shiajar Sanspa Sanpundrutali recovered case, but Kandri would Kibla Kladno. Nakiniki Shiajar South Palai Pulaitali active case, Kandaspa Saupusan would Kidina East Castle District, Hakabashispa Prapuing would Kidinaka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Nyospa and Rupasam would Kiriu Paitba. West Khasi Hills District and Laipoy Taliki active case, Southwest Khasi Hills Kawai, Riboy District, Shispa Khanyo, Hakaba Arpakandangut Kirinaka Armed Force Paramilitary Force, but Proper Prangut Kiriu Paitba. West Giant Hills Kandai Taliki active case, East Giant Hills Arpupra, West Garo Hills Shispa Nyopusau, Hakaba Shispa Sao would Kirinaka Armed Force at Paramilitary Force, but Nyopong would Kiriu Paitba. Southwest Garo Hills District and South Taliki active case, South Garo Hills Khatsan, Hakaba Barok Hassan would Kiriu Paitba, East Garo Hills Kandai Pinyo, but North Garo Hills Khat Taliki active case.